E minor to A major. This time a little bit faster because it's just such a cool progression. Or it's a nice vamp here. Yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now sometimes if I need to give my fingers a break, you can always consider using this one. Oh, that's nice. I'm giving my fingers a break. 2, 3, 4. There we go. That first finger bar at the 2nd fret is a welcome relief sometimes. There you go. Give them a little bit of a break. But after you've been playing long enough, you probably won't feel much need for a break. You'll be able to do this all day, and your fingers will have toughened up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and